Hello, good morning, everybody. Late as usual. I didn't take any trade, so I wanted to come and just talk a little bit early, but I didn't have chance. Now the question is that I wanted it to be going down for sure, but um, I wanted it to. I wanted to first. I wanted to see them. They were a little bit up there, but anyways, they didn't do it. So I'm not upset about it, but the thing is that why I'm saying that they don't need to go up as well, but this can be that up I'm looking for. Because today, truly speaking, if I explain you, like explain myself actually, I'm not a teacher. Anyways, the idea was these things to go because to me it's feel like the daily is just need to dig a little bit more inside, but they didn't do it. They're just falling. They didn't even go to the, let's say if this is a continuation, even this area they didn't go. Do you understand? So I don't know where is this area is here. Let's say if you see 1 minute, I was expecting them to go there first or little bit high. So let's say I was thinking about like normally previous day midpoint as well. This is the one I identified it from somewhere. I don't know. Yesterday maybe I checked it. This is 4 hours. I was expecting a little bit of dig down, but the thing is that what they did, if I show you 1 hour, let's say 1 hour, what happened? This high and this high. Okay. So if I go to ES, look, this one taken out, so this is kind of a SMT, and then they create a continuation candle. So are they coming here to trade this area and then they're falling back again? The actual target is practically my oh, this is ES, that's why, sorry. So yeah, so NQ I'm thinking today they will take out what is it, weekly low. So that's it. So this is this the continuation? I'm gonna trade. Sorry, I'm just have to see. If they create continuation, we definitely gonna trade. I'll trade with micro first because mini is too much right now. It's too much volatile. So the question is that can they invert from there? 9:30 close. Yeah, selling would be a better option, but it's like. But the problem is that they need to close. It was too early, I think. 9:30, they need to close under 9:30. Weekly low, I'm thinking, because I'll explain you later on. Let me see if I can find an entry. Let me see if I can find an entry or they can reverse back. I don't know. So look like 9:30 price that retested back again. So they inverted the first presented gap. Let's see if they can give us an entry. I don't know if they create a gap or something. It's very, very risky actually. Hope they close down. Nah, they didn't. So they will do a little bit of problem here maybe. Let me see if I can find something to enter. It would be nicer if they went through, but they didn't. So that's not a good sign. So that could be a bad idea as well. So now it created a gap. Will this gap hold? That's the question. I'm selling it from there, but it should be better if it is the continuation sell from here. This one can be easily gone high. It would be better if they create this continuation. I'm gonna sell 5 micro if they can give me the chance. Yeah, create the continuation please. They didn't, so I entered it already here. Okay, so I don't know if they can, but it's like an anticipation. I want them to close down here. Okay, this area, let me tell you, this area. So if they close down here, I'm just anticipating. Okay, but I don't think they got power. Okay, now they did it, so now I'm gonna be break even. Stop, what is it called? I don't even know. Let me take a little bit of money out from this. So this low, and then this one became a now a kind of a, like a protected low. I hope they don't go back. They keep going down. I've got 3. So yeah, I'm gonna put my stop loss on the top of this, on the top, because like if they come back, they can they should not. This is a protected low to me. Let me go 3, stop it out, and then yeah, because it looks like they're doing a little bit of joking. Yeah, if it is working, 3 would be enough. I mean, to me, it should go down to, there are lows there. Let me mark it. Let's see, this low. Then you have this low. And then the ultimately weekly low. I mean, if they can go fast this low, so this is the Apex account. Okay, so I'm just showing you. I just bought it, and look at this. So I'm inside the trade. So now 0 0, I might take out one, just one to like lock some profit, if they can. 82, 82. Hey, look, they just bounce back. I'm gonna definitely take some profit out here, because I don't know if they can reverse back. So did they take out one? Yeah, so I took out one. I've got 2 left. I need to adjust this stop loss, buy stop. Yeah, stop. So this time I definitely have to be break even, because I don't want to lose this area anymore. Yeah, so now they've taken out the first low. I might take some profit from here, this area. So another one gone, so I've got one left only, and this one I'm gonna keep it until if it is like give me something, it's in a break even position. It was a good trade. I mean, understandable that they came to take out some sort of a liquidity. Weekly low is my target here. I'm still holding one. Just to get the weekly low, but now they taken out this low, like today's low taken out. Okay, this is today's low. Today's low been taken out. So Apex account, I've got like bad history, just to show you. So because I just pass their account and then I blow them. So it's like a big long story. So I mean, I bought another one just to it's 100K account, because they got a nice offer. See, this is the intraday draw account. So we'll see what we can do. If I can pass this, let me see. Actually, I could have show you from here as well. I think, yeah, it's running. Yeah, it's going on. So it's in a micro. So I'm gonna just keep one for my satisfaction, because my stop loss is just uh, I took the sell from where 47. So 47 is my sell, this area, and I'm in break even right now, and my target is weekly low. That's it. So if it go and stop me out, look, what is my target? 140 points. If they give me, they can give me. Now the question is that you can say, oh, why you are targeting weekly low? Yeah, they might come back and stop me out. I don't mind. Sorry, my entry is actually 52. If you see it, I think, what is the number? Yeah, 52 my entry. Okay, so is there 52 is my entry. But when I told you the entry was supposed to be from this gap, so I pressed it, but somehow a little bit slow it was. So this was the entry. Okay, because this was the continuation order block. If I show you, so 52 is my entry, 47 is my 47.5. Let me put little bit another tick up, maybe 48, 48.75. Okay, as I'm gonna be out if they go there, because they could go up there back again. Whatever they do, I don't care. Oh, they're explaining the what happening. Sorry guys, I'm not a live streamer, so sometimes I talk stupid. So please, be S&P, PMI, flash PMI came in. Not good, not good. Okay, anyways. Can it be a continuation from here? So then they need to close under. That's the question. Okay. So now this one gone. So let me take it out. Okay. This liquidity gone. So this is the first one. Okay. So this is the second one. This is today's low. And let me keep it today's low. Today's. Oh, what I'm writing. Today's low. Or just low of the day. LOD. Okay. Low of the day. So this is today's low, and this is weekly low. Why I'm saying it, if you go to weekly chart, our trade is on, guys. So it's like, look, so my target is there already. If we hit it, oh, let me put my target. Sorry, what is my target? It should be 4.8, 408, 408, 408, 408, 408, 408. 408 is there. I'm gonna be a little bit early, maybe 410 maybe. Okay, today I bought the Apex account, that's why I just, because I didn't have time to put my what is it called, my Lucid account. I'm so sad. Oh, the idea, let me go back again. So this is the daily. So I'm just expecting it to, oh, this is not the today's low. Sorry, this is not low of the day. No, I'm doing some mistake. Let me see. Sorry for that. Sorry for yeah, this is the today's low. Yeah, low of the day. This is the previous day low. Previous day low, and this is the one. So today's low been taken, and now will they do a retracement? I don't know. It's 47. I hope they just take out everything before 10 o'clock. So, and then weekly low. So I was saying, like, if you see the weekly chart, so they are there. So this one had a retracement, and then they're coming down. Okay. So if this one doesn't take out this low, the previous week low, so what it will be? It will be a inside week. Do you think in this kind of volatile moment there will be inside week? Inside, there is no holiday, nothing, all this chaos going on. So our weekly low is, I mean, to me is more or less more or less should be our target. And then from there, what they're gonna do, we don't know. Okay, so our target is here. That is the reason, because if you go back, like check it, like 1 year. I was checking today. Last 1 year, only 2 times there was inside week. Last 1 year, 2 times, 2 weeks. So 52 weeks out of only two was inside week. Maybe those are holiday weeks. We don't know. So do you think this week will be an inside week? Judgment is yours. To me, I would go with the probabilities. Yeah, they can come and manipulate and stop me out. That's a different story. But do I believe that they will make a inside week this week? I don't think so. So like I think, I mean, from my point of view, but I can get stop out with this going back. Okay, so that one I will accept it, because like it's normal. So that is my idea. Maybe later sometimes like they will come back and hit the weekly low. That is my expectation. Now I told you already, I was not satisfied how they came down from here. But can I complain? No, because if you go to ES, there was SMT there if you go there. So with the SMT, they created order block. Let me go back to 15 minutes. Look here. So this high, if we go to this one is ES created a SMT. Look, this one taken out this up high. Look, the continuation is so aggressive. Do you see? Look, already hit my target. And Q didn't hit my target. It went to like, can you believe it? It will hit hopefully. Look, it's just coming there. They didn't hit it like for maybe one tick. Can you believe it? How can it possible? Come on, man. But because M and Q already taken out the weekly low, so what I do, I exit. Hope they hit me. They should have gone. Yeah, that's it, done. I think we're done with everything. So yeah, my first day of this account, I made 579. I cannot complain. So now I can look for a reversal. So this one I'm gonna now add my what is it called? My Lucid now. Do you understand the guys? The logic behind it. Look, see. ES had a nice SMT with this one, and this one closed down here before pre-market. Look here. So this is your order block confirm, okay, because with the SMT with the ES. So now what? Now you have an order block confirm. They created two gaps here. Do you understand? So now the market open here 9:30. Look there. This is the Judah swing. Taken out the high, traded the gap. The gap, two gaps. The first gap, when they traded, the people shorted from there. They taken out those people, retested the order block, and then what happened? Give you smaller time frame order block, and then they created gaps here. My entry was there. Do you understand? So look, that's how you can just easily do it as soon as the market open, if your idea is correct. That's what we need to do from now on. Okay, look at this one closed. Now lots of people will enter from there. I do it as well. Okay, so I'm not gonna say anything. So actual entry should be there, but sometimes what happens, they will not give you, so better to enter from there as well. But the problem is, where will be your stop loss? I don't know. Look at this run. Do I now think like sorry, let me put it my chart. I need to set it up. So this trade, we had it. What is the risk to reward? You tell me. So no, do you know our trade? So this is the high of the, what is the high of that? Let me see, the high of it is 64. Okay, so if you put it on 64, entry was 52, 12 ticks stop loss to get 140. 1 is to 10, okay? But it's still, but this kind of trade we need to do. So with the logic. You understand? So now they're taken out weekly low. Yesterday, what did I tell you? If you listen to me, from monthly chart, I told you guys, that one is 1 minute, man. Go to the monthly. Weekly, monthly. So monthly chart, remember I said it, I'm expecting it to dig down more. This month, next month, And then in October, we'll see. October could be a funny times, because the November midterm is coming, the beginning of November. So now enjoy this price action. Okay, so because why I'm rushing, I'm not organized and everything because I've got work. I have to go to work today. So a little bit later I have to get ready. So that's why I'm like rushed up trade. Every Friday and Monday when I come back from work, I lose money. That's how I've been doing. So this time I want to do with you, like I'll do my things, I'll trade with 3 to 5 micros. That's the only things I need to do. And look, how many micros I traded today? Three micros, and then I made $500. So I mean, isn't it enough to understand? So that's what we need to do. Anyways, guys, like these things keep running. Think about it. Another thing is that you can say, oh, you left money on the table. Yeah, how much we did it? Let me see. I came out at 10, isn't it? Look here, this candle I came out. Another 100 points. So those kind of trade, if I didn't come out and keep dragging it to the candle by candle, because these are the day, it's just gonna fall. God knows until what time. So only one area I would say, if I want it to stop, is this area. Okay, so that's why I need to put a mark. I don't know what these lines are. This one is a things I want them to come, but I don't think today they will come. Let me make a zone there so I remember. Put a blue zone. Create a little bit darker color so that I next time, when I see them, I know what they are. So daily important area. Okay, so daily. Because today when I'll go to work, I'll forget about everything. Then I'll come back, I'll not remember these things, that what I saw. So this area we'll check it next time. So these things can run, they can go wherever they like to go. So the next, this is the 4-hour closing like this. So the next 4 hours, do you think they're coming here? Or do you think they're going back to up again? Is there any chances of going up? They can, who knows? But do I think that they might go back? I don't know. I don't think so. It's not this week, I think. So today they fell already. Okay, whatever they need to do. So let me see. I will only now look for buying opportunities if there is any. Not buying means not to go like somewhere. I will just wanted them to retrace back to the range. That is the only trade I can do. But Friday we have to be careful. Sometimes when they go, they just they're gonna close like this kind of candle, and they can close like this. Maximum pain. So without any higher time frame confirmation, I'm not gonna do anything. So our trade done here. Okay, so look, this trade is still running, so there is nothing to do. Let's do some other analysis. I hope you enjoyed. I showed you even you saw my account. Apex, I have bad history because I had tons and tons of funded accounts, and I couldn't take a payout yet from Apex. But I passed the account every time. I mean, then I lose it, and then I buy it again, because it's like a gambling kind of things have became. I'm sorry, look, it's my problem, it's not Apex problem, but so cheap account they give you. So like then you tend to say, oh, I don't care about this money. So that's why sometimes what happens is psychologically create issues. So but this time I bought a account. I was not trading with Apex for long time. So now they given a nice offer of like I think I bought a what is it called, daily, not intraday, sorry, not that legacy account. This is the end of the day drawdown account. I bought it. So hopefully I'm slowly I can make these things up. So I have 100K, I have to make 6,000. So 6,000 means, let's say if I make 500 a day, should be 12. Yeah, I should be within a month. But I should make better. Today I could have done better trading. I should have taken some risk, but I came back to the chart like after 32, 33 like that. So I mean that is one of the things I need to improve. I need to sit down and then I need to plan it. I had this plan. I already thought about this one, like let me show you from another chart. Maybe it will be, yeah, this one. Maybe this is easy. It's gonna be. So this is ES and this is NQ. Okay, so the ES, what did it look? This is ES. Need to go to 15 minutes. So this area, look, see. So this one was the area I should have like focused on, and I already noticed it that before the market opened. Then what happened after the market opened? Sometimes what happened but what they created today, it was like understandable. So now let's say it was 1 hour. Look, if you see 1 hour as well, SMT, there is no high here where they should go, nowhere. So this one actually taken out the high, they created a continuation order block. So what they did, they came back to trade one of these. This one was the one which one taken out liquid. This is the order block. So they will like use one of these, something like that they will use. Look, see, because of the volume balance, this is the high. Not even one tick. Yeah? So nice precision. Good things actually. So they came back because they created a continuation order block. They continuing doing it. Now they taken out this low. This one taken out the weekly low. Previous week low. Now the question is what they're gonna go. I didn't research this, truly speaking. Now just because I know that I cannot stay here after 10:30. So because I have to get ready, I have to go to work. So once I can like get rid of this work, then I can research more, and then I'm definitely gonna look after it, look for different kind of reason to enter. I really love trading, and then especially the way ICT trade, because his way I find it very peaceful, and I mean there are reason. So let's say now they taken out liquidities, like became a completely like these are the things I like it. So like liquidity taken, what happened? There are options. Even after if you're a short-term trader, you can make money out of it because look, it's 10 o'clock, time base as well. That's the good things. So these kind of things we need to set up. So this is the time working. Look, 9:30 they came back. So if you are good in this kind of things, you could have just understand here when they taken out the liquidity. If you trade a turtle soup, I mean you have to take risk. Look at the reward you're getting. But this one, do I think that they will go up? They can, because they significant liquidity taken already from the weekly chart. Look, weekly low, previous week low taken. This one didn't. So that's the only way you can say, oh, no, I'm gonna trade continuation, because there is like a no week candle. So no week candle means what? There must be something there, isn't it? Which one was the no week candle? This one. Look, see, this one, there is no week under. But what is this? This is let me see, where is that? Sorry guys, my charts are like that, okay? I cannot help it. Maybe this one, yeah? It's just a market open gap, I guess. Is here. Okay, let me cut it and see what happened there. This is the one. Go to 15 minutes. Sorry, I don't have nothing else to do because I already traded, okay? Because I cannot think because I've got work to do. So if you, anyways, I'm not live. It's recorded. If you don't want to listen, just don't listen because I'm just checking few things. So this is the market open here and then they just gone. So, whereas there, yeah. So this is the area they can come back. I don't know. That day there was no manipulation. They just gone high, huh? I don't know. Good 1 minute. Let's check it. Here just started market gone high. Okay, perfect. Let me put this one as a. This is one of the things you need to check. Come out from this. So if you go to now 4 hours. So this low, yeah. So ES got lots of things to take. Go to daily as well. You can see ES got all these things to take. Even previous days low can be taken. So that's why it can be a continuation as well. Do I believe that they're gonna retrace back? Not that far. But these are the area they can definitely give you a like a kind of not reversal. It's like a retracement for a while. I don't want to trade today with this one because it's risky. I was looking for a buy, remember? So, but now this is like continuation. But like today, what kind of ES didn't take out anything? They taken out today's low. They didn't even take out yesterday's low. So a reversal from here is like uh, uh, look, they closed down now. So this one became your, but there is no gap. If you say, is this an order block? It's a kind of order block. I don't like them. This is kind of lots of people say continuation order block. Why I don't like them? Because if this one taken out liquidity and then created it, I would have 100% trust it. But this kind of one I don't trust it, especially in a bearish day. But can it work? Yeah, it's like people say A plus plus setup, A setup, B setup. So this is maybe to me is not a plus plus setup to me. I can enter it and I can put my stop loss there. Like now if you enter, so what it gonna be? Let's see what it gonna be. Let's say you took a long from here, yeah? Now I don't want to put it, then people will say I took the trade. Nothing. Sorry for that. This low. So then what gonna happen? Because it's like a bearish day, it can work until this area easily. Easily can work until this area. So what would be your risk to reward? So if I was thinking about entering from here, no? So from here to there, you would have risk 20 points to get 80 points, 1 to 4. I mean, look. So that's the things, So do you want to reach that much? So if you want to, you can take it. But if you don't need to take it. So this is like, you can say, okay, this is my A setup, not A plus plus setup. Will they reach there? They can. So what is there? I don't even know. So now this one, you have to see that if they're creating gaps or not. So this is order flow, like what is it called? Why this one is a valid order block could be because of this one traded a gap. This gap. they created after taking a big liquidity. Okay, so yeah, it can work until this area. So ES now trading on the top of 930. Yeah? So once this one reach here, after that I don't know. Can they go back completely? Yes, they can. So these are the things, like, risk to reward. I need to trade this kind of things. Let's say I'm risking 20. Will I get 40? Yeah, you can, but it's a 50-50 trade. Should you take it? Yeah, I need it to take it. Okay, I'll take it. But this week I don't need to, because I already, yesterday with my Apex, sorry, not Apex, the Lucid, I already made the weekly money. So next week I'll come with different plan. This week the weekly objective already been hit. So if this one hit here, then I'm gonna say I'm happy. Just there. Yes. So that could be another trade. So if I took that long, my stop loss would be here when I said it, 20, to get what? 80. This one. That's it. So from here, I don't know. Now will they continue? You don't know. That's it. You see? So to understand liquidity, this is the things I need to do. Now they created a gap. So the question is that will this gap hold, or they gonna crash down here to do the continuation? So that's it. That's kind of trading we need to do from now. So from there, and then the question is, this one, the problem is that, nobody taken liquidity, both of them, look, see. So they are both trading. That's why I don't believe that they going down from here. Up to me, like, if this one taken out this liquidity and this one is stopped there, I would definitely go for NQ to take down this one. So now I don't have nothing. It's 10 past 10. I have to go to work very soon. We did our job. What is this? Oh Lord, why they kick me out from my account? No, I think I'm there. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the Apex we made today. Not bad. Account summary. We had a profit. That's enough. That's enough for today. To Friday, at least keep it as a Friday is a losing day. Not good. Not good. Yeah. So this one might have like a little bit more to it, because of the reason that ES or NQ didn't take out any liquidity. After ES take out liquidity, then maybe NQ doesn't have nothing left underneath, or except this area. So that's what I was trying to say. 4 hours opened up, they're taken out the low and they're trying to go up. Are they gonna finish this one or create as a gap? Question mark. I don't know. We don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. So if I go to my ES and NQ, this is the situation right now. So this one, what did I say? Like, I want to see one of them taken out some liquidity. Otherwise, this selling is not valid. And then if you check other as well, they're trying to create gaps. ES is very strong. NQ just giving up. All the time is happening for the last few weeks. Now waiting game. So if we now want to see further sales, it can be from the next candle, 15 minutes. If it is like that, so what it could do, the 15 minutes can come back somewhere, and then maybe they can. That is the only things, because NQ doesn't have nothing left. So I mean, they already did everything. Let me save my chart, otherwise I'll lose my analysis. Let me see if I put too many things. So this was the trade, we took it, and we had a profit. You already saw it. The idea was, I already explained how we're gonna use our logic to take trades. Hope we can always perform like that. So this one I need to get off. I have to take out, this one was my 15 minutes order block. I think I don't have nothing organized. Is it? Yeah, 15 minutes order block. Look, see, so that was the setup of the, that was the setup, and everything else is done. So now I can save it, I think. So everything gone, we save the things. Yeah, hopefully I don't have nothing else. Okay, we'll see. Let me save it, otherwise I'll miss it. Okay, now the question is that, did that one taken out the liquidity? Looks like it. And yeah, now this one taken out this high, this one didn't. So now the question is that, will they inverse now? How about the next candle? Let's see. So the next 15 minutes candle is opening within 10 seconds. So now from here, if they now close down here, let's say, what are you gonna do? You tell me. What will be? This is, let's say. So this one was my target, you know, that remember I showed you before. So this one done. Now our game finish. Okay. So now if this one closed down here, this is become a continuation things. According to me, because this one taken out liquidity now. This one didn't. So now best will be if this one confirm it, maybe. According to my logic. Not this one. This one confirm it, because this one taken out liquidity and then this one confirm here, it would be the best things to sell. Now we just wait and see, because this one, what they did, this candle is the 15 minutes candle opening price. They couldn't go to that there. Do you think this is another continuation? Who am I to tell you? I don't know. I'm very, very scared to trade like this. Especially, you know, after the move happened. These are very nice trading, but you know, let's see if this one get confirmed, then what happened. Okay, if they confirm it, there is no extension. Do you see, like they are just but yeah, let's see, there is no extension. Look, they came here, they didn't close, so they're waiting. They got another run up, looks like. But if they go another run up, means it's dangerous, because from the 15 minutes what they did, this one already went there. So if they another run up, means these things going up there. If this candle stay like this and next candle this one go there and trade one of these and they try to fall, it will be nicer. But they looks like they got more to do, man. What a bearish day. Now will they close? That's the question. But then if they close here, do you believe it? You have to. Which one need to trade? Look at the area already gone. So if you know where you're gonna take the trade, that is the way to trade. You know, like if you wait for too much, now lots of people will say, okay, this gap create, then I'll trade. As soon as they closed here, if you take the trade from there, what you would be? Let me see. Stop loss, yeah, 20 points stop loss. You have to see to go this side. Let's say this liquidity. Yeah, you can have 1 to 2, but this is not, I don't like it. So now this one confirmed it, okay, but the problem is that the price is on the top of 930. This one confirmed the order block. If they created a gap here, it would be nice. They already created a gap there. So now the question is, can you take this trade? Because E has got lots of target. but the time is not permitting me. Time, I don't like it. Anyways, I think, guys, it's a very nice, enjoyable day. I loved it, and I really, really enjoy the trade today. It is very, very nice trading. Like the last few days, it was just continuous. Yesterday, so it was, the only problem is that we left money on the table, so I have to keep my some of my trades. Yesterday as well, I just came out. If you see my uh, videos, I came out long time early, but it's fine. At least we had some profit. I mean, I cannot complain. So now this one taken out this low. What is it? The next candle, what they gonna do? Next 15 minutes candle. Do you think they coming to trade there? We don't know. So one more time they came out and trade this one. Let's see now. Okay, I don't have no new idea. I don't want to create no idea, because if I get involved and I have a loss, then I'll lose my psychology. So it's better, as I've got to go to work another 20 minutes later, so I have to get ready. So I better say bye to you, because Friday I cannot stay. So another day maybe we'll try to do some other video, and then, I mean, we're gonna make some. Definitely, we'll every day we'll do something and we'll learn from there. And I have to put it into diary actually. So what did I learn? Let's say this week I learned quite a lot of things. I mean, absolutely lots of things. Beautiful, beautiful things. So like today, the price I understood, like, that's a nice things. I really loved it, especially when it was like that, and it created the continuation order block. So then this run, anticipating it, it was I would say it's a very good things to do. I actually enjoyed it, because you know why? Because I could predict it. This is the new day opening price. Okay, so here was it. So this one already crossed the new day opening price and created SMT, and then from there, lovely continuation from this one to the that our weekly target. Absolutely beautiful trade here. So they couldn't cross this one, like it's an 8:30 news, they just fell. So here when they closed, created two gaps, then the first gap was created, they came back, and then they came to our target, and then now there is nothing else to do. Only one thing can happen now, I feel like it. Either they will close down with maximum pain, or there will be TGIF. So do I want to trade now with TGIF with the pressure? Not really. So if I was trading, I would have only wanted to buy from some significant area. If I want to sell, I would have sell, let's say, another 10 to 15 minutes later, if I see that they created something. But this one taken out liquidity. Now ES didn't. So what are you getting it from there? Nothing. One thing I know, that we need to just say that the day is finished. Let's enjoy our weekend. You enjoy your weekend because maybe you don't work in the weekend. I'm gonna go to work, and this is the reality right now, because the work is there. I have to do it until I am financially free, and so I have to be financially free. So when I can do that, I'll analyze more things. But every day we are learning. I'm learning, at least, I'm sharing with you. If I know, if you have any question as well, you can ask me. I'm on Twitter. You can see, I know I don't have time, because weekend normally I supposed to study more and then find out more and things, but weekend is completely busy for me, like from Friday evening to Sunday night late. So then Monday I come back and I'm frustrated, exhausted, and then I do stupid things. So many funded account after payout, I just blown it. So like, last few days, if somebody followed me, I had top step funded account, like 5 of them. All I slowly blown it. I had a Lucid funded account, blown it. Apex, tons of funded account, blown it because of the frustration of the weekend. But this job, I cannot even leave it right now because I have to have this job. So what can we do? We have to take the reality. And then from there, we have to try, and I have to try to, um, like, if I want to make myself free from this trap, I just have to work hard. And then maybe one day I'll be good enough to do that. It's not about like how much you know, what I understood. It's all about psychology. The knowing, everybody know things. You can predict market as well. It's so easy to today, when we predicted that they will take the weekly low. It's just simple logic we used. We used the weekly profile. When they were there, remember I told you. So from there, how much was it? It's on 150 to 200 points. 200 points. If you take 50 points out of this is enough, to make a living. What I use, simple logic. That I checked the previously what they did. So they should not be inside week. I mean, they could be, but more chances of not to be inside week. That was the logic I used today. And easily I hit the target. And I was so relaxed when I took this trade from here to here. After that, I didn't know, but I know that if they go through, they would have dig down more. But I don't know where is this area on the left hand side of the chart because I didn't have chance to research. So yeah, we'll do more of this research, and if you guys are with me, we'll research together. So I'm gonna definitely be serious, and then because last time as well, so before I previously I did a series with the funded to pay, sorry, eval to funded to payout with the Lucid as well. I was just almost there. At the time, I had top step funded account as well. So then I had to go to holiday. I went to Italy. All this pressure, okay, work, then you have to take holiday, you have to make sure your family is happy, you don't like, you have to give them time as well, like so many things. Then before I go to holiday, I was under pressure. Oh, next 15 days I will not be able to trade. So then or maybe I'll not be that much because I'll be in different parts of the country, and then I'll be in a remote area. I'll not have my internet, I'll not have fast internet, I'll not have my setup with me. I mean, so many stress. Then when you take stress, what do? You blow things up. So that's the problem. So hopefully this time we show more discipline, and then we create something. We'll try to analyze it from logic, and then we'll face every day the market. If I don't have trade, I'm not gonna do it. If I do it as like today, I would have definitely, if I was not recording these things, I would have maybe get involved with my Lucid. So the Lucid already I made weekly money yesterday, so I don't need to trade today. So there will be no update video today of Lucid. So I traded today with Apex, so I don't know where I'm gonna put this recording. Maybe in another section. Maybe I can do another section with Apex maybe. Because this Apex account, I will try to pass it. And then I have to break Apex cars. So I cannot keep my Apex funded account. So let's see. We'll see. All right, guys. So have a nice time. I have to go because it's almost 10:30. So be safe today. There could be continuation, but already they reached their weekly target. I don't know what they're gonna do, but if you see 4 hours, they already confirm order block. Will they create this gap? After that, will they come and trade this area or stay inside? You don't know. Lots of things can happen. Okay, so this will be like a run already. I think big run happen. Next week will be very funny as well, and the next month will be nice. You got time, so every day we're gonna take it as a serious manner. Let's see how we can do it. You guys have anything, just feel free to talk to me. I would love to talk to you guys. if anybody following me, and if you're struggling with the trading, I mean, you can share. I'm doing it as well. You know, I struggle a lot, and I'm still struggling. Look, I'm blowing funded account after funded account. Why is not for knowledge? Knowledge is there. It's all about how you seeing life, how you taking the stress. I mean, from life. So all these things are happening, and all these things are, like coming. All the stress are coming from surrounding us. So how we are dealing with that? That's the only things we need to solve, and that is only can be happening with a peaceful environment around you. So that's what you need to create from this chaos. So you have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll talk to you hopefully on Monday. And until that, I hope you have a nice weekend. So yeah, the disclaimer back again, and then I'll talk to you again on Monday. Hopefully, this recording I'll put it in some other places. If I do lucid, I'll let you know. All right, bye bye, guys.